Hello everyone, how are you doing? Sorry, last week I missed the live because I was having some technical issues. But this time I think I am okay. So let me tell you about what I did in last 2 weeks. So I showed you that cross frame, right? 8 by 10. So I made two of them same. One was with same color combination, one was with different combination, and the size was 5 by 7. That was Mother's Day gift. So I don't have it right now to show you. And again, I made one mom and two kids frame as a silhouette. You may remember that I did a couple of those. But this time I made mom and two kids instead of mom and one kid. So I did that one in last week, and also I don't have it right now because it was Mother's Day gift. Then I made this sunflower card. It was an order, and I also made this mushroom. Size of this frame is 5 by 7. This one is also custom order. My customer sent me the picture of one jar. That jar was having the same picture, so she wanted same shades, colors, and everything, but with quilling. So this is 5 by 7 mushroom card. So today I am going to show you how to make cherry blossom flower bookmark. So let's get started. First, let me add my second camera. Okay. So let's get started. So first, take one paper strip and roll it. We have to make loose coil. Roll paper strip, and you need a circle sizer. Check which size circle you want and keep this in that circle, and then remove it. And this is my open part. So pinch it there. Take glue and put glue. So you have teardrop. Now what we are gonna do, take one pin and hold teardrop like this. Push this pin inside little bit and bring ends together like this. So you will get arrowhead. So the name of this shape is arrowhead. Let me show you again. Take loose coil, pinch it, put glue, hold it for a few seconds. Now take one pin, push it little bit inside and bring ends together like this. So we need 5 of them. So these are just simple cherry blossom flowers, and you can use these flowers for bookmarks. You can make greeting card or decorate photo frame. So you can use these flowers for a lot of different purposes, or you can just take one cardstock and put glue this flower on top of that. And if you have magnet, you can just put the magnet on the back of that cardstock and use that as a magnet. Now take pin, push it, and bring the ends together. So this is arrowhead. Now let's glue all petals together. So take one petal, put glue on sides, take another petal and glue it. Now take pins, put pin so that your petals will not move. So this is third petal, glue it. Now take one more petal, put glue on both sides, glue it. One last petal, and glue it. Now we are going to make one tight coil. Take whole strip and roll it. And put glue. Hold it for a few seconds. Now put glue on bottom of the tight coil and glue on top of this flower. So your flower will look like this. Now let's make some some leaves. For that, take one loose coil. Now check. This is the end part. Hold like this. First, we are going to make an eye shape. Pinch on both sides like this. I'm going to put glue here. If you want, you can first put glue and then pinch it. And if you want, you can do like this only. Now this is eye shape. Now what I am going to do, just bend one hand down like this. So you will get curved teardrop like this. I will show you again. Take one loose coil like this. So here the opening part, hold like this and pinch it. So this is eye shape. Put glue. Now take this hand down like this. So this is curved teardrop. Sorry, curved eye shape. Now let's assemble the bookmark. If you want, you can take any popsicle stick or any paper like this, cardstock. So let the flower dry. Then take flower, put glue on the back. And glue it here. Now you can take these two leaves, put glue. First we can just glue these two leaves together and then put glue on the bottom glue it like this. So your bookmark is ready. So you can make bookmarks, magnets, cards. If you have wooden photo frames, you can decorate that photo frame with these flowers also. After this live, I will take a picture and I will put that picture in the comment section so that you can get idea how this bookmark look like. I hope you enjoy learning this flower. Uh, Enjoy your night. See you next Thursday. Bye.